Welcome to another exciting unboxing video today. Whether you're a sneakerhead, a fashionista, or just in general love shoes like I do, you and I are in for a treat today. We are unboxing a Thredup mystery box of 10 pairs of shoes that are coming from Suwanee, Georgia. I ordered this box on July 5th and received it on July 13th. There was a little bit of a discount, so the total I paid for it was $54.18 including shipping, which brings the price per pair at $5.42. Sourcing for shoes for my reselling business can be expensive, and that's why mystery boxes are a great way to save money while still adding pieces to my closet. Plus, it's a fun way to try new styles and brands that you might not have considered or found in your thrifting thrifts before. And with that, it's time to open our box. As always, if you are interested in any of the shoes you see in my video, you can find them posted in my closet this week. I just need some time to clean and sanitize everything. Okay, so here's our box. It's unopened, and I've been waiting for a day and a night to just open and see what's inside. Here we go. Do you see what I see? Coach. Coach. Oh my God, this is a 9.5. It's a leather bottom and a canvas top. Where's the other one? Right here. These are in excellent condition. Just the bottom has signs of wear. Wow. Okay, good start, good start. There you go. Very nice. It's leather interior. I don't see anything wrong with them, which is a very good sign. And these will sell fast, I bet. Okay, one pair. Oh, these are so cute. I am, wow. Wow. Betsy Johnson. Betsy Johnson. Look at this adorable sandal. Please be 6.5. Oh, it's a size 8. Why? Why does it have to be a size 8? These are in great condition. I see the leaflets here. They have something peeling. And I think it might be the glue from the cherries. It's some kind of plastic beads that are glued. But other than that, they're in great condition. Minimal signs of wear on the bottom and on the footbed. And like I said, these are a size 8. Betsy Johnson. Very cute. Very happy with the first two. Then we have a pair of sneakers by Adidas, and they are also in good condition. Black knit upper, and it's called Edge Luxe. The bottoms show very little signs of wear, black and white, and the size on these is non-existent. Okay. Probably that's why Thredup rejected these. Yeah, I don't see any tags or anything. What about the other shoe? Yeah, there is no size on them. Nowhere to be seen. Anyways, these seem like a size 7. Oh, you know what? I can try it and see. I'm a 6.5 and 7 in closed shoes. These are a size 8 or 7.5, let's say. 7.5, 8. But they're in great condition. Very soft top. Walking shoes with a little bit of a support here. And happy about these as well. Oh my goodness. Saludos. I never found this. I mean, I found these in the wild ones, but not in as good a condition. These are the ones with the daisies embroidery, like that. And they are brand new. I don't see much sign of wear on these. They're so adorable. It's like an espadrille kind of type of shoe. It says Saludos on the bottom. And the interior is also in very good condition. And the size on these is 7.5. And they have the Saludos tag here. Then we have a pair of Air Jordan sneakers that have cushioned lining and a zipper at front. These look like a women's sneaker, also a 7.5. The bottom of these shoes show a little bit of wear, but I have a secret tool that I'm using to clean up dirty shoes, and I will link it down below in the comments. You will love it. It's a pink paste. Nylon top, soft, with neon colors, and a little bit of a suede here and here. One sole. A new pair of slides. I've never heard of this brand. It's called One Sole. This is the bottom. They're not worn. And this is the top. This is a very soft elastic top. And I think this is changeable because it has snaps on the sides. The snaps are pretty strong, so I don't think there's any problem when walking. But they also have a little bit of a support and a slightly cushioned sole on the bottom. It's called One Sole. And the size on these, again, non-existent, but let me see. This is a size 6, 6.5. That is firmly keeping your foot in place. Not bad. Then we have another pair of sneakers, Mary Jane type. It is called Propet. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. These are brand new. They have never been worn. At the bottom is very clean, and they have that hook and loop closure that's adjustable and keeps your foot in place. And at the top is some sort of meshy knit, very flexible, black and white. And the size on these is 8.5 USA. I don't know what this means. It says X2E. Size X2E in parentheses next to the 8.5 size. It's probably some sort of a white foot because it's very elastic. Next up, we have a pair of pumps by Michael Kors. Patent leather. I believe this would be a 3.5-inch heel. Very pretty and elegant. Very soft. This is a leather upper and it's a size 6.5. Ooh, it's my size. They have a little bit of a sign of wear, but I see no damage to them. A little bit on the heel, it's like smudge. I don't think this is a scratch, which I can probably fix with a little care. Let's see how true to size they are. Yes, they're true to size, believe it or not, and very comfy. Very cute, adorable. Happy about this. And the last two pairs. This one is another Michael Kors. Well, it says Michael. Okay, so this is not a Michael Kors. It says Michael. I don't think I should assume it's Michael Kors. It's called Claire and it's a 7 medium. Elastic at back, like a slip-on type of shoe. Peep toe, very pretty. Leather upper, size 7. And the heel is somewhere around 3 inches. Very pretty and tan color. And the last pair, we have a BOC. Looks and feels like vegan leather clogs. Slide in shoe with arch support. And inside is padded. Round toe. These don't look like they've been worn for too long. They don't have any damage on them. Size. This is a size 7.5 as well. M. Man-made upper. So I was right. It feels like vegan leather, faux leather, and this is what it is. And let me see how true to size they are because these tend to run a little small. Yep, 7.5. I'd say more of a 7, but I'm gonna disclose this in my listing when I'm gonna list them. It seems like I don't have much cleaning to do. Everything is in such great condition and so clean. All I have to do is post it and just sanitize them on the interior and wipe them with a damp cloth, and that's it. They're ready to list. Wow. Not bad. I'm happy about this box. One, die. Mm, 10. And this was the last pair. I think this was an okay box. All the shoes seem to be in great condition with just minimal wear, and with a little cleaning, they'll all be ready to go to their new homes. Please subscribe and like if you found this video entertaining and interesting. Thank you so much for watching. Watch my other unboxing videos and tutorials about reselling, tips and tricks, and I will link some above so you can click and watch right away. I'll see you next time. Bye.